Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make quick and easy Salsa Verde Skillet Enchiladas. Salsa Verde Skillet Enchiladas is super quick and easy. It has all the flavors of an enchilada without all the work. It's made with shredded chicken and a zesty sauce topped with lots of melted cheese. So let's get started. To begin, I have a little bit of oil in a pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded chicken. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. For the chicken, normally I just bake a couple of chicken breasts in the oven with some salt and pepper, but if you want to take an easier route, you can buy one of those rotisserie chickens at the grocery store. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of jarred salsa verde. This is a 16-ounce jar, so I probably used about 1 and probably about 1/4 of another jar. The brand I like to use is Herdez. I just love the flavor, it's zesty, and it goes really well with chips. And now I'm going to add a 4-ounce can of green chili, and this is also going to give the enchiladas a lot of flavor. Another brand of salsa verde that I like is Trader Joe's, but I haven't tried it in this recipe. I'm sure it'd be good though. Now we're going to bring the sauce to a boil and then cover and let simmer over medium to medium-low heat for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 10 corn tortillas that I cut into strips. And we are actually almost done with these skillet enchiladas. When I mentioned quick and easy, I meant quick and easy. Give everything a nice stir so that all the tortillas are covered with the sauce. I really love the simplicity of these skillet enchiladas, and I don't know if I can go back to making traditional enchiladas now. Not only is it quick, it has the same great flavor. And lastly, I'm going to add 8 ounces of shredded Mexican cheese blend. And after you add in all the cheese, you have 2 options. You can put the lid back on and let it simmer until all the cheese has melted, or you can place it underneath the broiler for a couple minutes. I normally like the cheese nice and bubbly, so I'm going to place it under the broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now our skillet enchiladas are completely done, and we didn't even have to bake them. This is a perfect recipe for a busy weeknight. This is optional, but I love topping it with some sour cream and jalapeños. And look at this nice, gorgeous cheese pull. I'm going to add a little bit more jalapeños and sour cream to my dish. It just gives it a little bit of creaminess and a nice pop of heat. Actually, I'll give that dish to my husband and I'll eat from the skillet. And I've got the perfect bite right here. It's warm, zesty, cheesy, all the good things. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Is Miss
Yes.